In the name of Allah. In this lecture, we will explain the main components of both the Kiosk Transformer and the Ring Main Unit, RMU. At the beginning, it is very important to understand how the connection between high voltage substations and distribution networks is achieved. Of course, from a high voltage substation, we can obtain medium voltage cables that supply the medium voltage distribution networks. Therefore, through the medium voltage cables coming out of the substation and entering the distribution network, we can establish a ring-type distribution network, as shown in the picture in front of us. The ring system in the distribution network consists of a group of kiosk transformers and medium voltage cables. As we can see, the kiosk transformers are interconnected with each other or with the medium voltage switchgear panel, which is distribution panel number 1, indicated by the yellow arrow, and connected to the first kiosk transformer. Then, a set of medium voltage cables continues in an incomer-outgoer, or in and out configuration, from one kiosk transformer to the next, until reaching the end of the ring system in the distribution network, which is the last kiosk transformer, also connected to the medium voltage cable, in yellow, coming from distribution switchgear panel number 2. Therefore, it is extremely important to understand and recognize how the medium voltage cables enter and exit from each kiosk transformer to the next one in the ring system. Accordingly, we must understand the main components of the kiosk transformer. In front of us, we can see an image of one of the kiosk transformers, which we will discuss in detail. We must know a very important piece of information. The kiosk transformer is also considered a compact substation or a package substation. The reason for this naming is that the kiosk transformer consists of 3 main sections: a medium voltage section, a low voltage section, and a distribution transformer section. Therefore, the kiosk transformer can be considered as a miniature substation, while the distribution transformer is one of its main components. As for the main components of the kiosk transformer, they consist of 3 parts as follows. The first part is the ring main unit, RMU, which is the main and essential unit for forming the ring system in the distribution network. In other words, the RMU is the section responsible for the incoming and outgoing medium voltage cables in the ring system. As we can see, the ring main unit, RMU, consists of 3 parts. The first part is for the incoming medium voltage cables, whether coming from the medium voltage switchgear or from the previous kiosk transformer in the ring system. The second part is for the outgoing medium voltage cables going to the next kiosk transformer in the ring system. The third part of the ring main unit, RMU, is responsible for supplying the distribution transformer, through which we can obtain the low voltage by transforming the medium voltage to low voltage. In front of us, we can see an example of one type of ring main unit, RMU, and it is clear that the 3 main sections it contains are visible. The second part of the kiosk transformer is the distribution transformer section, through which the medium voltage is transformed into low voltage to supply various low voltage loads, such as lighting loads, residential loads, city utility loads, or generally any low voltage distribution network loads. The third part of the kiosk transformer is the low voltage distribution panel, also known as the low voltage switchboard or the main low voltage circuit breaker panel. As we can see in front of us, there is a simplified diagram showing the main components of the kiosk transformer. We can clearly identify the ring main unit, RMU, section, the distribution transformer section, and the main low voltage distribution panel section. We can also see another example of a kiosk transformer where the ring main unit, RMU section, and the distribution transformer section are clearly visible. It is also clear in front of us that the kiosk transformers are positioned within the ring system of the distribution network. Through the ring main unit, RMU section, we can establish the ring system in the distribution network by means of the incoming and outgoing medium voltage cables, starting from switchgear panel number 1 and continuing up to switchgear panel number 2, which represents the end of the ring system. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next lecture.